Okay, Ranveer, third time that I'm meeting you in the last year, thanks to your films, right? Last year, this month, Padmavat released, you were in a different zone. Then Simba came, where I again saw you transform. And now I've again seen you transform in a month's time. Bro, this character is close to your heart because rap is something jo hamesha se like you've been very fond of. And then you get this film, it's like, khol do sare ab darwaze, khol do pitare. हाँ?
मतलब मैं सबसे पहले जब भी किसी ने मेरे को गली बॉय के लिए पूछा था मैंने बोला ये मेरी फिल्म है और कोई करता मैं जल के राख हो जाता ये मैं ही कर सकता था इसीलिए पैदा हुआ हूँ you know and it's a coming together of too many things that are very very dear to me rap hip hop music which I've loved since I was a kid Mahanagri meri matrabhumi Mumbai this beautiful person here who is really more than a director to me she's my friend, confidant. She's so special to me in my life as a person more than a director. These fine gentlemen here, the best in the business. Ritesh is like family to me. We go way back. Our parents go way back. Farhan is, I think, a renaissance man, a creative force of nature who I have tremendous admiration for and have been fielding for him to direct me since 8 years now. Hopefully he'll consider me someday. And this, well, I don't know what to say about her. I really don't know what to say about this. I don't know how she happened to us. We are lucky that we have an actor like Alia Bhatt as a part of our cinema. So yeah, really, too many special things in one thing.
And of course, the gentleman who manages to touch everything and it turns into gold. Okay, we'll start with Fukre last year. Then two of India's biggest shows to hit the web, Inside Edge. Now you start the year with a bang with Gully Boy. Ritesh, how are you picking up all these projects and how is it just happening?
I think we are fortunate that these scripts come to us.
Right.
And again, when...
I mean, this script was at home, right?
Yeah, and this, when Zoya and Rima wrote this, I think the instant, like you say, it's raw, it was so different to her previous two films. And there was an instant, I think, you know, like because it was so real, you identify with it. So hopefully, like, this film will be added to the next time you give me a list of our successful films.
But I'm amazed from the time Gully Boy was announced that Zoya is directing a film which is about the, you know, the rap culture of the Mumbai streets. Man, the amount of noise. I mean, today we are here for the trailer launch, but right from the time I think the shoot started, you know, with Divine and Nazy talking about it, the amount of noise it's created, I mean, half the work is already done because people already know this.
Like I was saying, this was an area which was not explored. I think like when Zoya saw it, like she told you when Anand Subaya showed her that video, I think that inspiration and then keeping it true and just keeping it real, I think that's why there's so much talk about it.
Farhan, you remember 2008 where you introduced rock music again to India in a way?
Yes, I do remember that.
Yes, and now you have a script. Yes, and yeah, that's Farhan's trademark humor. Thoda sa ha. But almost 10 years later, now rap in a film, did just the fact that there is music involved, does it get you excited when you're reading the script that yes, music is again going to be the forefront?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, music is, I think, an integral part not just of my life, sabhi ki zindagi mein, it plays a very important role. और जब एक मौका मिलता है कि ऐसी कहानी मिले जिससे म्यूजिक ऑर्गेनिकली इतनी जुड़ी हुई हो तो बहुत मजा आता है उस फिल्म पे काम करने के लिए लेकिन मैं जो कह रहा हूँ वो अलग आप सबको ट्रेलर कैसा लगा एक और बार
जर्नलिस्ट सही बोल रहे हैं बहुत Okay, since you already opened it to their reactions, I think we should now move to their questions. So if you could just raise your hand and I could come to you. Yeah, yes, ma'am, we'll start with you first.
Ravi.
Ji.
Komal, I love you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm this side, please. Okay. Yeah. I'm Riya from Deccan Chronicles. First of all, a big congratulations to all of you.
Madam, Deccan Chronicle.
Chronicle, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
कमाल है यार
ये Facebook पे live जा रहा है
Oh sorry पहले बोल देता यार live हो रहा है मैं बच्चन बंद करता कमाल है यार BC बंद करता मैं
Congratulations for your film entering to Berlin Film Festival.
Thank you.
My question is for you, Zoya ma'am. As we all know, Ranveer's relentless energy and high vibe. Was it difficult for you to calm him down in this movie, to show his quieter side?
it's not difficult because Ranveer, I mean, he is the Energizer Bunny, but he's extremely sensitive and he's an extremely. No, he is. He's got a very high EQ, and he's an actor, so he knows what he has to do when he takes this particular part on. It just so happened that he has done 2 films with me where he's not hectic in both.
अगर मुझे कोई लगाम लगा सकता है वो है तू ज़ोया तू.
Yeah, and sometimes you when you're shooting with him, he does his first take, gets all the energy out, and then from the next take he kicks in. So you have to allow that.
Yeah. And Ranveer, how was the process of preparing for this, the language and the style for the street rapper?
Yeah, just
how was
me
it?
and my high vibe. Babe, what can I tell you? It was the most fulfilling process, man. You know, just to be amongst the legit, the real boys, you know, the rappers themselves. There's such raw talent. You know, the way they've written, look at what happened with Spitfire, with Nitin. Asli Hip Hop came out and everybody's like, who is this kid? And we're really happy that, you know, we have a very wholesome album that we're very excited to present to you. All of them have contributed towards it. Just interacting with them was one of the fondest memories I'll hold with myself for the rest of my life. In that prep process, in those workshops with them, working on the dialogues with them, collaborating on the music with them, it's an experience of a lifetime.
Yeah, you shot in Dharavi. How was the experience?
Ma'am, it's like you're filling the entire Deccan Chronicle today. Can we move to another question?
Hello. Yeah.
Dakhan se uttar mein.
Dharavi wala sawal aayega, I promise you get the
Hello.
answer.
Yeah, hi, this is
Where?
Sakshi.
There.
Yeah, hi, this is Sakshi from Bollywood Now. I would like to ask that do you feel that affluence or being rich help in basically making your talent brighter and putting that out in the world? Does that help?
Nahi samajh aaya.
Hello, I'll repeat my question.
Can you repeat the
Too
question?
carried away by Ranveer Singh. So
Arre?
I'll repeat my question.
Oh.
Waves getting infected with my high vibes.
Yes, exactly.
Do you want help in holding the camera? No?
No, it's fine, it's fine. So my question is, do you think that being rich basically helps your talent to shine brighter because you have certain comfort? And like a person who is not that rich may have to fight other things to basically
The struggle,
bring their
I think.
talent
Are you talking rich and talent-wise?
No, like if you have...
That's a very good interpretation, Ritesh. But I think Madam is asking a different kind of question.
Yeah, so I'll give you an example. You got it? Okay, fine.
Babe, I'm intelligent in spite of my high vibes. So, you know, all this, how rich you are, how poor you are, it's all relative, you know. Even a rich person can have struggles that you and I don't know of. Everyone in this world is struggling and going through the agonies of existence. That's why the best thing you can do is just be kind. Coming to more specifically your question, you saw the line in the trailer. जितने भी आर्टिस्ट लोग हुए ना सारे भुक्के फक्कड़ ऐसी हालत की मतलब इतने भुक्के की नोच के खा जाए. So invariably you find that some kind of struggle that you're going through gives birth to art, an artistry, kalakari as they say, that comes out of you. And we have that theme in our film. So I'm really looking forward for you to see it and hopefully gain something.
Thank you. Hi, Ranveer.
Thank you.
Wait, where?
Hi,
Just
Ranveer,
raise your
over
hand.
here.
Raise it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi,
right at the
Ranveer.
back.
Pooja here from India News. आपने इतनी सारी रैपिंग सीखी है अपने वाइफ के लिए, दीपिका के लिए कुछ रैप बनाया है आपने?
हाँ, वो तो मैं उनके लिए स्पेशल सोलो शो दूंगा.
और उनकी रिएक्शन कैसी थी ये ट्रेलर और मूवी देख?
ट्रेलर उन्होंने देखी नहीं है, टीजर देखा था, उनको बहुत पसंद आया. It was a very novel approach. जोया मैडम ने खुद अपने हाथों से काटा है. और she loved the teaser and she's very proud of me.
रणवीर जी,
जी.
ये जानना चाहूँगा आपसे कि जैसा कि आपने ट्रेलर में भी बताया एंड रियल लाइफ में भी आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि जैसा कि आपने बताया कि हम सभी जानते हैं एक्टर, तो पूरी दुनिया में कोई ऐसा है जिसे आप बताना चाहेंगे कि एक्टर बना हूँ मैं अपने दम पे, तूने तो कपड़े पहने अपने बाप के पैसों से, तो किसी को आप ऐसा कहना चाहेंगे?
ओहो.
फिलहाल तो ट्रेलर के अंत में मैंने उस रैपर को बोला था जिसको मैंने रैप बैटल में हराया था. बट माई फेवरेट लाइन आई टेल यू इज कलाकार मैं कल को आकार दूं, यही है मेरा धर्म, मेरी दूसरी कोई जात ना. ओ माय गॉड, इस लाइन के लिए मेरे लिए तालियां. जो कि मैंने नहीं लिखी है, लेकिन क्रेडिट लेने में क्या जाता है।